developed a program to introduce artificial intelligence, to take the mystery out and to talk about how it may be practically applied in all domains of operations, whether you're talking about the industry floor or whether you're talking about future strategy. But it impacts every single sphere of life. So at this plant, it will impact marketing, logistics and supply chain, how it deals with farmers, the plant operation, the efficiency of the plant.
AI can enable smarter commercial strategies while ensuring transparency and sustainability in decision making.
AI expands what humans can design, decide, and discover.
Specifically, I see a lot of potential in the application of artificial intelligence.
We cannot ignore the importance and interest of AI in our life as well as our business.
Artificial intelligence is the tool which can be easily used for our industry, and it can provide help to the farmer as well.
जो generative AI है basically that's about generating the content. The content can be language, text, image, voice, video, anything. It just generates. Agentic is when you actually take the input, generate the content अगर required है, and do the action as well.
It is a very knowledgeable session for all of us, especially in terms of optimizing all processes. To step forward in AI, our efficiency will definitely increase in sales processes like demand forecasting, inventory management, sales planning, customer segmentation, and especially risk management in sales.
The Unlocking AI Potential session has offered valuable clarity on embracing AI as a catalyst for growth and transformation.
The session was a great step toward building a shared understanding of AI across the organization.
The session highlighted the importance of adopting AI in a structured and responsible manner to drive long-term business value.
Using data, using local knowledge, using advanced technology, we could look at reshaping the agriculture future of Pakistan.